it is shaped like the Earth. Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. This middle line is the equator line. Now when we come through the ball, we must come down descending shallow manner. Comes below the equator line, rolls up to the fifth scoring line, that imparts backspin control to the ball. So I'm going to hit one out in the ocean. Marvelous target. Anybody can spit in the ocean or hit a ball in the ocean. So I'm going to show that down the line. So I get me a little sea ball, St. Andrews, Scotland. Use a pinch of sand. It's out of here. So that was fun. Now I gotta go retrieve my ball. Cheers. Yeah, that would be great. Then you could
Hold the camera up.
Yeah.
Let me just hold this.